Hello, fellow traders. Welcome to another episode. Guys, thank you very much for your support, for your likes, for your messages. We are 20 subs away from our first giveaway. I mean, this is a very important moment for me. And again, thank you very much. We will keep analyzing the Bitcoin. We are long in the market. Remember what we are said. Still, the market is bearish, for sure. Also, thank you very much for your messages. You know that you don't have to follow me in my trades, for sure. I always advise you not to use leverage. I do. I know what I'm doing. But guys, thank you very much again. What we did and what we will do for this week. I mean, if you check the CFTC report, show you for sure some good techniques that you can apply in your trading. And the CFTC report is one of the most important tools. Now, look what happened to these past weeks. The commercials abandoned the ship. The market is still bearish. We know that. This is a very important information to know. However, we already know that. I mean, there is no sign yet that the market will go higher. Unfortunately, I was correct in my predictions, even though I'm long in the market, and I will keep my long positions the longer that I can, for sure. There is also a second entry that I have prepared. You know how I found it if you check my previous episodes. So, for this week and the previous weeks, now the commercials have reduced their position for sure. Their long position got to 250, and look what happened to the short. They didn't increase their shorts, and this is a good sign, of course, because we are in the long side of the market. So this is for us. So for sure, they didn't increase also their long. They decreased their long. The retailers most of the times are in the wrong side of the market. So it's not something that I will check, or is not a number that it's so important. At least that's what I'm showing to you for the past 8 months, and the commercials are moving the market. This is obvious. You see that they are know how to make the decisions and how to trade. The total percentage, it's still bearish. I will look the chart that I'm preparing every week. Now we have 50.77%. They are short in the market. The long positions are 49. However, those who increased their longs is the retailers. Remember that it's a zero-sum game. So for every loser, there must be, for every winner, there must be a loser. And this is how the game works. I still believe that the market might go lower. The market is still bearish. I'm saying that in every episode. I'm not sure if the prices will start going higher. So I will open my MT4 platform to check. So in my technical analysis chart, we do have this chart. You asked me to put some moving average. I don't use moving averages in my trading. I know that they are very useful. However, I'm not using them. I don't want to make my trading screen. I want a clean chart for sure. So in the technical part, indeed, we see that the channel broke to the downside. However, I'm still waiting the prices that might return to this level. I don't think that they will go lower than 20k for sure. Again, for me, this is the great opportunity for another buy. However, I'm already in the market. I mean, my positions are already in the perfect spot, at least for my opinion. So I won't go another long. I'm already good with that. Also, guys, yes, I will show you the diagram with how many people own Bitcoin for sure. Don't worry about that. So for this week and the previous week, the prices broke the channel. However, we are not sure that the prices won't go lower or higher. Of course, we are still long in the market, no doubt. The market is bearish, for sure. I'm still waiting that the market will go higher. Also, I believe that inflation will go in higher, especially with the new program for inflation that includes more budgeting and more spending. For sure will increase inflation. I mean, I don't know what you've read and how you interpret what they said, However, they will keep spending more, so inflation will go higher for sure. So at this point, remember what I'm saying in every episode. I do believe that cryptocurrency, especially the Bitcoin, is good hedging against inflation. I know many of you disagree, no doubt with that. That's why we are taking decisions and we know what we are doing. Also, you are sending me some messages that you disagree with my trades. For sure, I respect that. That's okay. I never ask you to follow my trades in any case. Guys, again, thank you very much. I would expect more strategies if you want to send to me. I would expect some tests if you want to do it. I mean, you send me a strategy that has a couple of tests. The 100 test rule, it doesn't apply to me. I find it ridiculous. I mean, if you have 90 tests, that's fine, or even if you have 80. The 100 rule is another ridiculous rule that I don't follow. A trade system, a trade technique will develop at 20, 30, 40 trades. You know what you are dealing with. Guys, thank you very much again. I didn't expect to get to 80 subs because I know that most of you are traders. And again, thank you very much. We are expecting, I am expecting the prices to go higher. This is a significant, this is a FIBO level. I don't know, it's not important. It's about 50% of the retracement. I don't believe in 50%. For me, it's not an important number. It's not even close to the golden ratio. So I don't go with it. Guys, again, I'm really happy and thank you very much, guys. I hope I'll see you in the future and trade safe.